Good morning and welcome to Mrs. Mummy's Phonics. Good morning. Super Fox wants to say good morning. Oh, he was so impressed with your sentence work yesterday. Yes, he said you did such a good job. That's fantastic to hear. Today we'll be recapping another sound that we know, but we might find it a little bit tricky to read, to spell and to write. First of all, we'll be recapping some of the sounds on the sound chart, and then we'll be looking at today's sound. Yes, Sue Fox said, can you make sure you've got a pencil, a piece of paper and a special friend to help you? He says you're going to do so well today in writing, reading and spelling words. He's so impressed. So can you make sure you're sitting up, you're looking, you're listening and you're ready to begin? Can you put your finger on your nose so that we know that you're ready? Oh, Sue Fox is putting his paw on his nose. Fantastic, we can see that you're ready. Amazing. Let's see how quickly we can say the sounds today. E, shun. O, ear, e, shus. Air, or, ire, year, are, I, ow, oi, ear, shun, oo, a. Excellent work, you really know those sounds. Yes, I'll ask them, Super Fox. Sue Fox says he hopes you've been looking out for sounds and words all around you at home, maybe in newspapers, in magazines, in books, and maybe when you're out and about, on the bus, on signs. Yes, you have been? Well, that's amazing to hear. Okay, Sue Fox said now we're going to look at today's sound. And today's sound, you might recognise it because we have learnt it before, but we thought we'd practice it. Okay, Sue Fox said he wants to do 1, 2, 3, and then we'll say surprise. Can you join in? 1, 2, 3. Surprise! Today's sound, girls and boys, is oo. Oo. I'm sure you remember it. Can you say it to your special friend? Ooh. Can you say it to the ceiling? Ooh. Can you say it to the floor? Ooh. Can you say it to the window? Ooh. Can you say it to the door? Ooh. It has 2 letters that make one sound, an and an e. Ooh. Can you shout it? Ooh. Can you whisper it? Ooh. And when we meet the and the e, can you remember the story? They used to be the very best of friends and always with each other, right next to each other. But sadly, they would talk and talk and talk, and the teacher had to separate them. The and the had to be separated by another letter, a consonant, like or b or n. And so now, because they're separated by another letter, they hold hands above their heads so that they're always together. The and the e must be together in words. And it's like other sounds that we've met this week, like A and I and O. They're split sounds as well. But today we're looking at oo. Oo. And, could you say it to a special friend? Oo. Can you say it in a frog voice? Ribbit. Oo. Can you say it in a giant's voice? Ooh! Amazing job. Can you say it in... Oh, Super Fox says, could you say it in a Super Fox voice? Ooh! Brilliant work. What was today's sound? You remembered. Ooh, an and an e. Ooh, we're going to have a go at writing it in the air. Super Fox, you want to stay there? And get your magic pencil out. Give it a blow. Ooh, and remember to leave a space between the and the Ooh. Let's do it together. Ooh. 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 Let's write it down. Ooh. 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 And it's a sound we've met before, so I'm sure you can think of some words that have the ooh sound in them. Oh, Super Fox said he's remembered some. Yes. Can you have a think? Let's have a think. I'm trying to think. Oh, I know Super Fox is very excited. Oh, yes. Tune. Let's listen to a musical tune. T-oo-n. The magic E. Tune does have the oo sound in it. You're right. Can you have a think at home? Have a think of some words with the oo sound. So Super Fox has said tune. Oh, you thought of some. Could you call them out? Yes, June. We were just in the month of June. Now it's July. But we were in the month of June last week. J-oo-n, June. So we've had tune and we've had June. Thank you for helping us. Let's have a think of some more. Super Fox. Oh, Super Fox said he's got another one. Oh, yes. Rude. Super Fox is never rude. U-d. Rude. So we've had tune, we've had the month June, and we've had rude. And one more. Oh, I've got one. It's a 3D shape. It has square faces. Can you think of it? Yes, it's a cube. K-oob. Cube has the oo sound in it. We've had tune, we've had June, we've had rude, and we've had cube. Could you say those to your special friend? Tune, rude, June, cube. And what was today's sound? Ooh, an and an eh. Excellent work. Right, we're going to have a go at reading those words, and you did such a good job at remembering some of the words with the oo sound. I'm sure you're going to do really well reading them. Remember, I'm just going to say the sound, you're going to sound it out. Today's sound, ooh, with the magic E. Today's sound, tune. Well done. Today's sound, ooh, with the magic E. Today's sound, cube. Excellent. You're very good at reading the oo sound today. Today's sound, ooh, with the magic E. Today's sound, June. And because it's the month of the year, it has a capital letter at the beginning. June. Can you remember that? Today's sound, ooh, with the magic E. Today's sound, rude. You did such a good job at reading those words. Well done. Okay, oh, sorry, Super Fox. I know. He said you deserve a Super Fox clap because you're working so hard at today's sound. What was today's sound? Yes, Super Fox said you're right. It's ooh. Well done. Can you join us for a Super Fox clap? Remember, it's above your head, and that's for your fantastic reading and remembering of the oo sound. Great work. Now we need to get our magic fingers out. Can you do that? Get them ready. Super Fox, you okay up there? Yes. Okay, magic fingers out. Let's go round and round. Can you go up? Can you go down? Can you go to the side? And the other side? And give them a blow. Magic everywhere and behind your back. Now the first word we're going to have a go at writing and spelling is tune. T-U-N with the magic E. Tune. T-U-N. Tune. Can you show me? Amazing job. Tune has 3 sounds. Tune. T-U-N. Magic E. Tune. Tune. Let's write it down. Tune. T-U. Today's sound. N. Tune. T-U-N. Tune. You're working so hard today. Hands behind your back. The next one is cube. K-U-B. Cube. With the magic E. K-U-B. Oh my goodness, you're so speedy today. You've done it already. Cube. Well, can you show me? Fantastic. 3 sounds. Cube. K-U-B. The magic E. Cube. Excellent. Cube. Let's write it down. I know you can do this. Cube. K-U-B. The magic E. Cube. K-U-B. Cube. So we've had tune, we've had cube. Hands behind your back for the next one. The next one is June. It's a month of the year. Do you remember there was something I told you to remember about it? June. J-U-N. June. You're ready. That was so speedy. June. J-U-N. Can you show me? Oh, amazing. Yes, 3 sounds. June. J-U-N. With the magic E. June. June. And remember, it had a capital letter, the J, because it's a month of the year. June. J-U-N. June. Let's write it down. J-U-N. The magic E. June. J-U-N. June. And when we see this sound in books, we don't see the dots and we don't see the lines, but they're just there to help us when we're doing our phonics. June. So we've had tune, cube, and June. Hands behind your back. And the last one today we're doing is rude. R-U-D. Rude. Super Fox is never rude. He is always polite. Rude. R-U-D. Rude. Oh, that's fantastic. You're ready? Can you show me? Super. Rude. 3 sounds. Rude. R-U-D. With the magic E. Rude. Rude. Let's write it down. Rude. R-U-D. The magic E. Rude. R-U-D. Rude. You've worked so hard on today's sound. I know, Super Fox said he knows you can do a little bit more today. You've got a bit more energy. So we're going to have a go at writing a sentence with some words with our sound in it today. What was today's sound? Ooh, so glad you remembered. And I'm just looking at the words and I'm trying to think of a sentence. And maybe at home you could do the same. Just have a think. something maybe in June. In June, which was just last month, because we're now in July. In June, let us make a tune. In June, let's make a tune. In June, let us make a tune. In June, let us make a tune. That's what we're going to write. In June, let us make a tune. In June, let us make a tune. Could you say it with me? In June, let us make a tune. Can you whisper it? In June, let us make a tune. Maybe in a music lesson. In June, let us make a tune. Can you shout it? In June, let us make a tune. Can you say it to your special friend? In June, let us make a tune. Can you say it in a wolf's voice? Oh, in June, let us make a tune. Can you say it in a witch's voice? In June, let us make a tune. Can you say it in a policeman's voice? In June, let us make a tune. We're doing a soldier's voice, marching. In June, let us make a tune. We're doing a fairy voice. In June, let us make a tune. In June, let us make a tune. We're going to have a go at writing it now. And remember, it's a sentence. It needs a capital letter at the beginning. We need a capital letter for the month of June. At the end, it needs a great full stop. In June, let us make a tune. Can you do it with me? Keep saying it. In June, let us make a tune. In, capital letter at the beginning. In June. Could you sound it out with me? June. June. In June. June. What was that, Sue Fox? In June. Have you noticed something? In June. Sue Fox says I've made a mistake. What am I missing from my word June? Yes, I'm missing my magic E. In June, let us make a tune. Let. Make sure you've got a finger space. Let us. In June, let us. In June, let us make. Make is the A and the E. In June, let us make. With the magic E. Make. In June, let us make a tune. Finger space. A tune. Tune. Oh, it's this oo. Tune. In June, let us make a tune. Magic E. Tune. In June, let us make a tune. And at the end we have a full stop. Well remembered. Got my finger spaces between words. Sue Fox is going to check it. Can you check your sentence at home? In, you've got capital letter, yeah. June, let us make a tune. Oh, Sue Fox said I'm very impressed. Yes, I did make a mistake, but it doesn't matter if we make mistakes. We're learning. I hope you could write some more sentences at home with today's oo sound. We can't wait to see you again soon. Goodbye.